Okay, chocolate cake crumbs, peaches, strawberries, bananas, chocolate cake. Crumb Boss, what are you going to make?
I'm making a brown derby cake. Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Let's do it one more time. Chocolate cake crumbs, peaches, strawberries, banana, chocolate cake. Gotta go fast because whipped cream's gonna melt.
Whipped cream is melting. It's 100 degrees in Crumb Boss factory. We gotta go, 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 go.
All right, brown derby.
Brown derby.
I kept calling it a Boston derby.
Yes, you did. And we're gonna do a Boston cream pie just to separate out the two, and we understand that one is one and one is the other. This is a brown derby. The reason why it's called that is because, well, my understanding anyway, is because it represents a derby hat. You know, like a man's derby hat, it's like very round on top.
Yes.
It's like, you know, just very round. And
okay.
So, I mean, we'll see. You'll see what it looks like. You could use your judgment whether you think it looks like that or not. But we call it a brown derby. It starts out with a chocolate cake. If you guys want to rewind to chocolate cake recipe how-to, we did it last week. Okay. You really only need one 8-inch layer. So the recipe I gave you yields 2, but you could then use the other one for something else. I only took one 8-inch layer, I've cut it, and then I've cut this one down, and as you see, I've cut out a little triangle.
Oh, looks like Pac-Man.
It's like Pac-Man.
Waka, waka,
all right,
waka,
and I'm going to show you why we did
Remember
that.
Pac-Man?
Yeah. Oh, I dominate Pac-Man.
Yeah,
okay?
I used to play Asteroids. Oh my God, people might know how old we are.
I was there when Pac-Man first came out, but I was very small.
Okay, fine. Atari.
Yes.
All right, so now you're putting on the whipped cream.
Yes, I'm putting a ring of whipped cream on here because the Brown Derby at Woodland Bakery, Chatham, New Jersey, we fill ours with a peach filling.
Okay.
Ooh,
now, do these peaches have sugar in them?
Yes, they do. This is a peach filling that you could buy at the supermarket. As you see, it's got, you know, it's peaches with like that gelatiny stuff.
Okay.
So it's actually like peach pie filling.
Okay.
Okay, and then we take a whole banana.
Mm-hmm.
Now, did you know that if you peel a banana from the bottom up, you don't get strings?
Hey, show us that. Look at that.
The gorillas do it that way. They do it that way.
Okay.
The gorillas do it.
You're like, I thought you said the girls do it.
The gorillas.
Okay, the gorillas. Okay, the gorillas peel bananas from the bottom.
Upside down. They don't get strings.
Okay, were you watching Animal Planet?
Probably. I have a lot of useless random information.
Yes, it was quite unusual information.
So I'm going to take my banana, and we just do it like that.
Okay.
And then I have some fresh strawberries that we pile up into the middle of this. So this cake is just like filled with fresh fruit and peaches. It's so good.
Yeah, that looks great.
Right? And then I'm going to just take some more whipped cream. This is a pretty tall cake.
Yes, it is. It's very high. So you're going to put, what kind of tip are you using?
I'm using a star tip.
Okay,
to give it that ruffly edge.
Okay. This is cool. See, when we first started filming Crumb Boss, I would see this cake in the Woodland Bakery, and I would be like, "What? It's so beautiful! Look at it!" Now you don't even know what's in it. And I thought like it was all chocolate cake and things. Here goes Pac-Man.
See, now this is why we cut out the triangle, because this cake has to be piled into a dome shape.
Okay.
And you're not going to achieve that if you don't have.
Oh, cool! Yeah.
Okay. See how I had to do that?
Nice, Boston. Brown Derby.
Yeah, you just want to call it a Boston Derby.
But yeah. Here it goes, you guys. Look at this.
So I'm just.
I was wondering how you did that.
Yeah, this cake is a little bit of a lengthy process. You really do have to take your time with it.
Yeah.
I mean, it gets. I mean, this is like mile-high pie right here. Well, I'm calling it a pie, but it's really a cake.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Okay, and so I'm just doing that, and I'm going to show you a trick.
Yes.
I can't believe I'm showing you guys these tricks.
I know, tips and tricks, but a Crumb Boss.
Yeah.
Yeah, now on sale for free. Look at that, it's gigantic. See, I would see this cake and I'd always be like, what's that, what's that? And she'd be like, Van Derby.
I actually have a picture of myself eating this whole cake, just standing over the garbage can with a fork, just eating the cake. Come on, what? Don't wrinkle your nose. You know you would do it.
Well, no, the thing, well, what time does that usually happen at?
At closing, and if I didn't sell it and I have to throw it out, I'd rather eat it.
Okay, there we go.
All right, here's the trick of the century, everybody. We should be charging for Crumb Boss TV just because of this. I have a parchment paper triangle that I've taken.
Yes.
I want this cake to be completely smooth and domed. Watch this. I'm going to start here.
Oh, very cool.
Okay. And I'm going to turn it. And I'm going to do the same thing here.
Nice. Oh, I knew that had to be something. Yeah.
You cannot achieve that look with just a spatula. You're going to keep getting spatula lines, and
Yes.
you're just not going to get this smoothed out look.
No.
All right, so right there,
there
everybody.
it is.
Only on Crumb Boss TV are you
Yeah.
going to get this kind of tricks. Nobody else is showing you how to do this.
No way, Crumb Boss, you
All right.
rule, baby.
There's
you
my
rule.
rosette.
There's the top of it.
Finish it off with the strawberries.
Now, what about the chocolate over here?
Yeah, well, this is our cake crumbs. Remember I showed you this slice and this slice? What are you going to do with it? You're going to grind it up and make cake crumbs and garnish the edge of your
Oh,
cake with it.
Gretchen, that is so cool.
You don't want to waste anything.
No,
okay?
look at it.
We utilize
It is a
everything.
derby.
Right? So there's the brown derby. Just
Uh-huh.
want to shake off your excess.
Oh, that is awesome.
Remember, we always do our garnishing on a big sheet pan.
Yeah.
So that when you want to shake off your excess, it's not going all over the floor, the counter. You're not getting
No.
ants in your kitchen. You know, we want to work as clean as possible.
Oh, that is so cool.
All right, here we have it.
Well,
Brown derby.
let me see. Brown derby. You guys, look how cool this is. You know,
Does it look
that's
like a
so.
hat?
Yeah, it does. Okay, stick it on your head. There she goes. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna hold it down now so people can see what you've made. All right. So brown derby. All right, and it's so high. It's like it's got to be like 6-7 inches high.
Yeah, right, it is. It's about that tall.
Oh,
you know
but-
what? We don't mess around here at Woodland Bakery, Chatham, New Jersey, Crumb Boss Factory. If you want to get these recipes, guys, go to crumbboss.com
Yes.
or just come to the bakery and buy it from us. Let us do it.
Okay.
Crumb Boss.